Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you all the fuses responsible for power to all the power outlets and the cigarette lighter. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Now, depending on the trim of your Ford Expedition, you might not have all the power outlets or all the fuses I'm about to show you, but in this video I will show you all of them and all of the locations. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. Now, to remove this cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So you want to press onto each of the tabs and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the first two fuses you want to check will be located in the bottom left corner, and these are fuse number 65 and 66, and they're both 20 amp fuses. Your main power outlet and cigarette lighter fuse is fuse number 71, which is located right here, and it's again 20 amp fuse, and just next to it there is a fuse number 72, which is also responsible for power outlet number 4. So to summarize, you have 4 fuses in total to check. You have these two and these two. And most likely, if one of your power outlets is not working, just by replacing this fuse, that should fix it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.